the site is now done. I've added the other two models, as you can see, and you can see here there's a little thing that makes it say loading, so you can actually tell when it's in between, and I just center out all the text to make it look nicer. The issue of squishing the head, kind of like as I was mentioning yesterday, is still there, but I'm not going to bother changing it. I was thinking about what it would require, and it would require, well, funnily enough, another machine learning model to identify where the person's head is in the extra wide or extra long picture. It would have to like draw a square around them, and then it would have to crop the image to that, and that's a lot of effort for something that is just a visual thing, right? Like, it still feeds the whole unfiltered image into the model, so in the end it doesn't actually matter, and you can see it still got it right for her. Yeah, so feature wise the site is now done. I do have to fix the HTML text still, but that's not really an issue. I can do that at any point. And another thing I could do, which I was thinking about, was I could actually improve the machine learning models themselves. Because the limiting issue was drive space on my Google Drive, I could buy like a month of the 100 gigabyte drive, upload all 25,000 of my labeled images, run all my machine learning models on the whole data set instead of just like the 3,000 that I did, and I would probably get significantly better models than I currently have. But you know, that's not a technical difficulty issue, it's just a time consuming and do I bother to do it type of issue. But yeah, so I'm pretty happy with how the project turned out, and now that it's done, if you want, what I could do is I could do a like high level technical overview of how things work. This would be a pretty long video, which is why I'm gonna pose it as a question, because I won't just make it for fun if nobody's gonna bother watching it. But yeah, because the project is pretty big, right? You got all of these files, everything from static and below, as well as the actual models for the making of the machine learning models themselves, because those are not needed in the site's code. But yeah, so if you want that, let me know, I can make that. But otherwise, this project is complete, and I am quite happy with the results.